चलो next
Yes.
heading beta. Magnetic field due to the bar magnet and axial point. Magnetic field due to a bar magnet at an axial point. What is an axial axis beta? I told you yesterday.
Sir, it's through
The line which passes through the
2 poles.
yes.
Yes,
2 poles is
of the
known
bar
as of what?
magnet.
Magnetic axis.
Yes, sir.
Is known as of your magnetic axis. Now we are trying to talk about magnetic field due to a bar magnet at an axial position. Axial position. See here, what we are doing is we are taking a bar magnet like this. Okay, and we
Yes,
are
sir.
keeping some point beta here, isn't it? So from here right now, we are
Yes,
talking
sir.
about the magnetic field at this position right now like this. Okay, so if I'm talking about this one, see here this is your south pole, and here this will be your north pole, and this will be the center of this one. The distance between these 2 pole strength will be equal to how much beta? South and north మధ్యలో distance ఎంత ఉంటుందన్న?
12, sir.
That means this distance is your L,
Yes, sir.
and this distance is also your L, and this is your point O. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
the north
sir.
pole, and this is your south pole. Now I'm taking some point here right now.
Yes, sir.
I'm taking some point here P, which is at a distance of your right now from the first condition from point O to the point P. This distance is, say for example, at your R. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Now what do you need to assume here is, see, at the point P, you assume a unit north pole. Imagine what? A unit north pole.
North pole.
Imagine a unit north pole. Unit north pole at P. Unit north pole ante north pole యొక్క magnitude ఎంత 1.
Yes, sir. 1.
Now E north వల్ల there will be what?
Repulsion, sir.
North and north వల్ల repulsion.
Yes, sir.
So దీని వల్ల repulsion direction అంటే this is force due to the north direction రాసుకోవచ్చు.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now what will be the distance from here to here beta? ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఈ పాయింట్ వరకు distance ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు R, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు L. So this distance will become how much for me beta? R minus of your L will be the distance. Okay,
yes,
na?
Sir.
Now
Yes,
this point P from the north, how much distance is it beta? Can you tell me? From south to this unit north pole, this distance will be equal to how much? This
sir,
L
it will
plus
be.
R.
Yes, sir. 12
R plus
R
L.
minus L.
R plus L, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it, sir. 12 plus.
12 plus of your R minus
R
L.
minus L.
So that
yes,
will be
sir.
your R.
L and L. Yes, sir.
Okay.
R plus
Yeah,
L.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
No. This is south pole and this is your north pole. So what will be the south and north మధ్యలో ఏం జరుగుతుంది?
Attraction, sir. It will move towards.
Attraction. So in north pole
Yes,
will try to attract towards the south. So there will be the force due to this one in this direction. So this
Yes,
will
sir.
be the due to the south pole in this direction. So at point P, there are 2 forces acting. One is force due to the
Point
north
B.
pole and another is force due to the south pole.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So once again, see beta, we are assuming a bar magnet beta. This is a north pole and this is your south pole. Okay, the distance between this
Yes,
south pole
sir.
and this north pole is equal to 2L. So from center to south pole, the distance is L. From center to this north pole is nothing but of your L. So from this point north to this point P, what we are doing? We are assuming a unit north pole at a point of your P, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So where is the repulsion? So force of the repulsion is in this direction. And this north pole and this south pole, there will be attraction. So south pole will be attracted towards your, sorry, north pole will be attracted towards your south pole. But magnetic lines will be always from your north towards the south.
South.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? No. Can I
Yes, sir.
calculate the force between these two beta? Force due to the north pole, can I calculate? Force due to the north pole will be equal to how much? I can apply the new Coulomb's law right now. Fn will be equal to your mu naught divided by your 4 pi into the pole strength of this one is how much beta here? Pole strength of this one will be equal to how much beta? M into this one is nothing but how much for me? Unit north pole
1.
strength value is nothing but 1 divided
1.
by the distance between those two is nothing but how much? R minus of your L whole square. Can I write like this?
Yes.
So this is
Yes,
along
sir.
this direction beta. This is along your N and P. This is your NP. N to P will be the direction of north to south. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Then in the same way for the south pole, can you tell me force due to your south pole will be equal to your mu naught divided by your 4 pi into this will be your M into your again north pole is nothing but 1 divided by this distance is how much beta? R plus of your L whole square. This is along this direction beta. This is along your PS bar. Okay now? Direction is from P to S kada.
Yes, sir.
This is south pole and this is your north pole. So south pole direction is from P to S and direction of
South
this
Pole.
one will be equal to your P to N. Is that
P
clear?
to N. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because
Isn't it? So
South Pole
because the two
towards
forces,
and
both of them are in this
North
direction,
Pole is up.
opposite direction,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Now net
Yes.
magnetic field at a point P will be equal to how much beta? So this point P is lying on axial position of this one, kada? This point P is lying on the axial position of this one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Force
Yes,
experience
sir.
by unit north pole at a point P will be equal to how much beta? So I'm writing here, see, magnetic field at a point P will be equal to, isn't it? The strength of the magnetic field at the point P will be equal to how much beta? So it is B along your axial will be equal to your force experienced due to the north pole minus force experienced due to the south pole.
Yes, sir.
Because yesterday I told you that what we call that formula for the magnetic pole part affiliation beta, like say here right now, magnetic field strength we are defining it by the formula B is equal to how much beta? F by your M gada, isn't it? What do you mean magnetic field? The ratio of the force
Yes,
per
sir.
your unit pole strength.
Unit. Yes, sir.
This
Unit.
value of your pole strength, how much you are taking right now here beta? M. So it is divided by your M. This M value is equals to your 1. So that is the reason I'm directly writing this is force due to the north pole minus force due to the south pole.
South Pole.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I write the value of that one beta right now?